Hi, my name is Stefan, and in this short K2 based training video, I want to explain everything you need to know about thermal separations in base. So I have an existing project already drawn. I also have the module field already up there. And in this case, I was doing a flat roof project, and I was using our D-Dome, means east-west solution for that flat roof. And, you see those yellow lines that are the preset thermal separations. So every module inside one of those blocks is connected to each other, and those individual blocks, they are not connected. And in order to manipulate that, there's several options for you to optimize your project. If you want to do that, you first have to go to the thermal gap section up here. Then you can do changes on all the thermal separations, either in vertical way or the ones that are set in the horizontal. With those settings up here, I'm just going to do the ones for you to show. The break every setting is always set to the maximum. You cannot go higher than that. You can, however, go lower in case you want to. Let's go back to the maximum. You can, of course, also change the alignment. In this case, let's say I want to start more on the left. You see the preset thermal separations are then set more to the left. You can also do the same to the right side, or what I'm doing now is going back to center. And if you have individual thermal separations you want to change, there's also something you can do. And that's up here. You can edit the vertical separations or the horizontal ones. In this case, let's go with the horizontal. And then you enter the individual editing mode for that. As you saw, the existing separations change their color from yellow to white, and the potential separations are all marked in red. And to have one here, for example, you can click on it, turns yellow then, and then you could either click on that slider or just double click on the whole separation. Same thing for removing it again, right? Double click again and it's gone. And there's another cool thing. If you want to go down the individualizing road even more, you also have the option of splitting a existing module field into two on a thermal separation. So in this case, I'm just going to go with that one here, and I'm going to click on split the module array. And after it loaded, I now have two separate module arrays, right? So there's the one up here, that's the one below, and I can individually move them just the way I want.